I definitely think the root systems have stunted out with all the rain. These clay soils have just stayed saturated, stayed really wet, and I think we're seeing those impacts of it right now. I know it's been a little while since I had a field update. If you can tell by the shorts, I have been going non-stop, working Saturdays and Sundays, unfortunately, working on all kinds of duck projects, a bunch of collabs, Carolina All Out. I got some subscribers that needed some help, been all over the place, but I promised some folks I would get them an update, so here it is. Well, folks have asked how that house food plot's doing, and well, we have got a ½ acre of brown top millet coming in here. I actually uploaded a short on it. This was a ½ acre area. I came in here and sprayed it, top dressed it with 15 pounds of brown top millet. And here we are 40 days later, and we've got a lush, thick carpet of brown top millet right back here at the home place. Goal is to have a little backyard DIY millet field here for the doves. I even have doves sitting on the boys' zip line right here. Got a little makeshift power line. Should be pretty cool. We're actually going to try and do a dove hunt here at the house over our backyard DIY dove brown top millet field. So my wife then asked, she goes, okay, so you planted a dove field in our backyard. Are you gonna fire burn it like you do your other ones? I said, well, you know, I hadn't thought about it, but now I am. So now let's head down to the farm and take a look and talk about the sunflowers. We're right at 50 days after the replanting of these fields. Some of these were planted May 10th. Some of these were planted May 21st. We got 4 inches of rain after the first planting, had very poor germination. These are clay soils, low-lying areas. The ground was just too wet. We didn't get good germination, so we decided to replant, and I'm so glad we did. That's what's helped save this field. However, since the replanting, we have got another 14 inches of rain in our area here. We just keep getting hammered. My concern about being stunted, well, I think it has came true. These sunflowers are at 50 days right now. Based on previous experiences with these Clearfield sunflowers, they should be about 12 to 15 inches taller than they are right now. I definitely think the root systems have stunted out with all the rain. These clay soils have just stayed saturated, stayed really wet, and I think we're seeing those impacts of it right now. Although there are a lot of them, they do appear to be stunted. The heads just now are starting to form, so I do think we're going to get blooms. I'm just really curious to see how big they're going to be. You can see there still is some green grass scattered throughout, but you can also see a lot of yellowing occurring. That is from that clethodim imox treatment that we did 2 weeks ago. Clethodim and imox are both very slow to act, so it's taken 2 weeks to really start seeing some results. But those grasses are continuing to die. I do expect this ground to start opening up a little bit here in the coming week or so. Something else very unfortunate to report is, with me not being down at the farm, I have not been able to keep tabs on the electric fence. Well, at some point, the electric fence got damaged and torn down, and Mom reported deer in the field back here. A couple different evenings, she would see the deer in the sunflower field feeding around, and sure enough, at some point, a deer got tangled up in the electric fence, tore down the top runners, and well, it's left an open path for him to get in the sunflower field, so we're definitely gonna have to get that buttoned up because we're seeing a lot of predation from the deer. I usually start seeing blooms at 55 days, so I fully expect here in about another week or so to start seeing some of these sunflowers opening up. I really hope I'm surprised. Right now, I think these sunflowers are going to be a little bit stunted. I think the head's going to be a little bit small. I'm hoping to be pleasantly surprised, and we do get a little bit bigger heads than what we're looking at now. But I will update you guys very soon on this field. We'll do a comprehensive sunflower and millet field update within the next 7 days or so, so be on the lookout for that. I know you guys are here for the dove content, and thank you for your patience. We've just been doing so many duck projects, battling so much rain here in the central part of North Carolina, all the flooding. Hearts go out to folks out in Texas. There's just so much flooding going on in our area. Not 10 miles from here, we had 6 inches of rain, made the national news. We're just getting hammered this year, and some of you are a part of that. It's really hurt the duck project, certainly hurting our dove field out here, but we're trying to make the best of what we got. But I will give you an update on the field more comprehensively very soon, I promise you. And until then, I really appreciate you guys watching. God bless and take care.